What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to open the pencil second edition. This is the iPencil, so let's jump right into it. Boom, this feels good. And this is for your tablet, so you can do some sketches and stuff. This is my AirPods. There's the box in my iPhone. Apple products. I got this from Walmart for $96. Normally is $129, so I got a good deal. I'm definitely keeping this one, so I'm gonna open it. And get some of the instructions, but this is what I care for. I always wonder like how to charge it, and I see people with I don't know, let's see. Can you open this? Oh, right here. Oh wait, that's not it. I guess we'll find, oh, I know how to charge it. You put it with the magnet next to the tablet and then it charges. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. So this is the compatibility. So it looks like for you to be able to use the pencil second generation, which is the one I have right here, you need iPad mini 6th generation, iPad Air, iPad Pro 12.9, and iPad Pro 11 inches 1st generation or later. That'll be for this one. If you have the other devices like iPad 10th generation, then you can use the Apple 1st generation. All right, hopefully this video was helpful. I will see you guys on the next video.